Welcome to this step-by-step guide on quickly adding contact information to your WordPress site. In this tutorial, you will learn how to access your WordPress account, navigate the editing interface, and incorporate a contact information section into your website. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to the WordPress website. Once the website loads, locate the login option at the top right corner of the page and click on it. This action takes you to the login interface where you will see an option to continue using your preferred method of authentication. After clicking on login, you should notice a button labeled Continue with Google. Clicking on this option allows you to bypass typing in your credentials manually by using your existing Google account for authentication. At this point, if you are not already signed into your Google account, a prompt will appear asking you to choose which Google account you wish to use. Simply select the appropriate account and proceed. Once you are successfully logged in, you will be presented with your WordPress dashboard. Look for the quick links section where you will find the option labeled Edit Site. Clicking on Edit Site directs you to the website customization interface. You will now see a list of your websites associated with your account. Choose the one you would like to edit by clicking directly on it. This action brings you into the visual editing environment where you can make changes to the layout and content of your site. Within the editing environment, your next task involves adding the contact information section. Locate the plus icon that appears on the top left corner of the screen. Clicking on this plus icon reveals a menu where you can search and add additional blocks or elements to your website. Enter the words contact info into the search bar of this menu. As you type, the available options will narrow and you will see a preview of the contact information block that can be added to your site. When the contact information option appears in the list of elements, click on it to add it to your web page. The contact information block will then be inserted into your website layout, ready for your customization. With the new block added, you can now begin to enter your contact details. This is a straightforward process where you simply type in or paste the specific contact information you want your website visitors to use. Take care to ensure that your contact details are accurate and formatted clearly for easy readability. Once you have finished adding the desired contact information, the final step is to secure your changes by clicking on Save, which is located at the top right corner of the editing screen. Clicking Save updates your website with the newly added contact information section. This concludes the tutorial on how to integrate contact information into your WordPress site in just a few minutes. By following these clear steps, you are now able to enhance your website, making it easier for visitors to reach out and connect with you. Enjoy the simplicity of adding essential functionality to your site and the confidence that comes from making your online presence more accessible and informative.